So in this video I'm gonna show you how to ride a motorcycle. So let's go over the basics of riding a motorcycle. You have your clutch here, your clutch lever here, you have your front brake here, the acceleration, and you have your shift lever right here, and the rear brake there. So let's turn it off for a second. So how do you start a motorcycle? On my Suzuki I have to pull the key and then move it to the right, and now I can see the red LED here. I pull in my clutch and I press the start button. Okay, that's how I started. I show you the shift lever. So what you have to do to get moving, you have to pull in your clutch and press the shift lever down here once. Press the shift lever and let go of the clutch really easily, and the bike should start riding by itself. And just do some circles around here and get used to the bike, you know how it rides. If you want, you can give it some throttle a little bit. See, give it some throttle, nice throttle here. Okay, nice. And if you want to go in the second gear, give it a little bit of throttle, pull in your clutch and press up on the shift lever, and there you go, you're in the second gear. Just test this out. So how manual transmission on a bike works is, right now I'm in neutral, so it's between the first and the second gear. If you go one down, you're in the first gear. If you go up, you're in the second. If you go up again, you're in the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and that's it. So test it out, see how it works, and safe riding, man.